Hello friends, we are here today. It's Friday. This is my work day, but I have such exciting news. I got my online exclusives box, which are items that I was able to order this week because I'm a happy shopper. I'm a demonstrator. I sell Stampin' Up! Products, but you don't have to sell them to buy them if you're a happy shopper. I will turn you around. I'm going to show you everything I've got, but I'm going to flip you around so you can see kind of what's in the box. And we're going to unload this one thing at a time. So Stampin' Up! Releases these items online only. That's why they're called online exclusives. And they are released to the public in November. So if you are not a happy shopper or don't choose to get that kind of a deal, then you can get these November 4th. But another reason why I think this is so critical for you to know about this month is that this month we have $155 for $99. Okay, we've got Valentines products and lots of good, wonderful items. I'm going to start with what's on top. I thought this was the cutest set. Now, I had a great month last month with lots of bonuses and things, and so I was able to get more than usual from the online exclusives. So this is a stamp set called Perfect Pairs. I think this is going to look so cute for Valentine's, just for your kind of non-traditional Valentine set. And I am very excited about using it. I'm making swaps for my team meeting, which is why I had to open this box today. And I'm probably going to use this, but I haven't decided yet. Another set that's on the online exclusives is called Sharing, Loving, Crafting. And I love, first of all, of course, love this, our Statement of the Heart. But also, it's wonderful to have this for when you sell your items, and then also handcrafted by. Wonderful. You could stick that on the back. So many cute things here. It's a great, great set. There's an embossing folder that is called the Modern Herringbone Embossing Folder. These are inexpensive and add so much punch to your projects. It's always a good choice. Now, here's what's funny. I ordered the classic wedding dies, but did not order the classic wedding set. So I'll show you the dies, and I went and ordered the stamp set. But really, the dies are what excited me the most. We've got this cute little cutout car, and you've got this bow and all these pretty things for a wedding. So I'm going to make some cute little cards there. This is very exciting. Stampin' Up! Released a color coach to demonstrators at one of our incentive events, like I think it was On Stage. And so it was so popular, people went so crazy about it that they released it to demonstrators. Released it to everyone on this online exclusive. People were so excited about it that it sold out, but I do think that I saw on my friend Patient's page that this is available again. So obviously very easy to assemble, and it's very heavy duty. Like, I don't know what it's made of, but it's like laminated but not shiny, so even better than the one that I got originally. So really do love that. Hello, Kathy. Gosh, yeah, that's nice. Okay, so let's hit up the Valentine's situation. We have this cute paper, and if you are crafty enough, I could. One of the things I've never done in the crafting world is like acrylic type stuff, but you'll see people do like the marbling where they like pour acrylic pour. Anyway, that's, I believe, how this paper is made. And we've got gorgeous reds Of course, with this back side is so cute. So I'm seeing this for the first time as well. More red and gold with this cute red and pink stripe. We get into more of the pinks here with this pattern. I love the gold just splotched in there. More just red and white. This would be cute for if you have kids that go to University of Arkansas. Red and white. Hello, Patience. We have some wheat. I was just speaking your name because you were just saying that this was available again. So I literally just said your name. And this is one more version of it with this gold patterning. And then the last one is just the pink and gold. And the back side looks like this. So that can pull you on into other eras. All right, so that is the Valentine's paper. Let's take a look at the other items in the Valentine's set. I love a good treat, especially for Valentine's, and this is no exception. We've got these cute little treat bags, and there's 2 sizes. It looks like there's 8 per size. Oh my gosh, these are stinking adorable. Aww. I can think of so many things that will look so cute in there. So this is the size of it compared to my hand, in case you're wondering. That's what size it is. That's the smaller one. And then we have the next biggest one. Could probably fit a card in there, I'm guessing. Super cute compared to my hand. So that one's a little bit bigger. Very cute. And the texture of them is very flat, so easy to stamp on, which is fun. And they are like food safe. That's what I remember about that. Let me get in here to these stamp sets, dies, and other items with the Valentine set. So we have these cute hearts. I love a good flat embellishment because that's not going to snarl up your mail. I had to open that because I thought there might be some smaller ones up there. Super cute. Now, one of the greatest things about being a happy shopper and having a starter kit is you get to come to my team gathering, either live or online, every month. And we'll be having prizes from these online exclusives tomorrow. So that's super exciting. I always like to reward my best team members with new items. We have this gold twine. It's really pretty. It's actually probably called Gold Twisted Thread. Oh, that's gonna tie so nicely. It looks like it's thick enough that it's going to tie well, and it's probably not going to twist as predicted. I love it. Not twisty. Hello, Corinne. Nice to see you. All right, so there's that. I think that's all the accoutrements to this. Now, here is the stamp set. We have Hearts of Elegance. Love you, sending love, be mine. Of course, XO, to from, if you're giving those little bags. Happy Valentine's Day. We have, it's a photopolymer set. And this is what I'm actually most excited about because I love anything that's stitched or outlined as far as dies are concerned. And here we have, I believe from the picture, it looked like radiating stitches, like on some of these hearts. So these are standard hearts. This one is stitched. This one is super stitched. Yes, that one has the radiating stitches around it. Then we have a humongous heart, some things to cut the flowers. So that is all the good things that come with the heart dies. I love it, love it, love it. It's actually not less of a radiating and more of like a quadruple stitched layer there. So either way, I love it. All right, just a tip. I put my dies in my stamp set and then hold on to this for later, but that way they're always where I want them to be. Okay, the next, I gotta get this out of the way. So again, remember, these are items that you can get now on a starter kit, or you can get them on November 4th, or if you're a happy shopper already, why haven't you ordered yet, people? These things are if you don't want to worry about them selling out, then be a happy shopper and get them in the first month. I won't say it never happens, but it's more unusual for them to sell out during that. This is called pre-order period, which we can order these early. All right, we have, oh my gosh, these are so cute, little otters. I love this with the fish. That brings it a whole different level. More cute little otters. They're so playful. My daughter and I hope go to the zoo all the time, and we love the otters. We spend a fair amount of time there. This would make such a cute scrapbooking page. I love it, but also very cute cards. Here's me and Hope. Oh, I love that. It's like little pebbles. Fantastic. I'm getting so many ideas. All right, and here's another cute set of otters. Oh, I love that. Just very good water paper. Oh, so many opportunities there. And then we have our cutest little otters. Of course, this can bring you into Valentine's Day, but it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. More water paper. Actually, this is the back side of that. A little brown marbled paper. I love it. And then this last is pool party water paper with, I guess, a frond situation going there. Very cute. So that is your otter designer paper. Here are your otter stamp sets. Of course, we've got to say Otterly amazing. Love you lots. We're cute together. Isn't he adorable? And let's check out the dies. I love these too. I think they're so cute. I mean, all they had to say to me was otter, and it was in my cart. But I don't know. I just think they're so adorable. So obviously your dies are going to cut out your otters here. But let's look at the paper and see. I know that it cuts out some of the otters. Let's do a test. We've got another thing I like to do with my dies, if I have an ink pen nearby, which is questionable. Let's see. I don't, but, oh, nope, that's a Sharpie. I don't want to do that. I like to outline them just so I know where they'll go when I put them back. All right, so this page, I'm not seeing him on this page, but I know I saw this guy before. Yep, here he is. So he cuts out that guy. Another one down here. So there's that. And let's see if it looks like this little grouping is going to cut out these guys. Of course, very cute. So you've got this. Very special. And then the last little otter die, he's going to be, looks like here back on this page. Yes, so we've got lots of chances to use our dies to cut out our otters. I love that. Then we've got these cute little fish, these pebbles. This must be a little baby otter. Yes, it is. Stop it. It's the cutest. Look. Oh my gosh. All right, we've got a little wood. We've got water here, some underwater or above water prawns. This some more prawns, some bigger fish. So you ought to get these because they're amazing. Now I'll show you the embellishments that goes with the otters. I'm actually very excited about these as well. I love a good flat embellishment, like I said. These are Riverside Irregular Pearls. Yes, lots of dyes. I love that Stampin' Up! Does that. They don't just stop with, like, you know, the start of stuff. They go further. So these are, it looks like they're like a beige, a white, and a pool party. Does it tell us? Probably says online what colors they are. But they're definitely 3 colors, and they're in the blue, brown, and white category here. I find with these iridescent gems that you can pretty much match them with any of our colors in that family. And then our final item that goes with this is the cord. Wow, this is substantial. I knew it would be just from the looks of it. Lost Lagoon soft cording. Absolutely. Yes, yes. It's kind of like, oh good, thank you, Patience. The colors for that are gray granite, basic white, and Lost Lagoon. Okay, so it's a gray, not a beige. That's good. That ties perfectly as I knew it would. It's just like if you took a ribbon and crossed it with a twine and they had a baby, that you would get this cording. So very sweet. And the final thing I got, I just barely saw it at the end of my order, and I was like, I'll buy it. But I love a good metallic, and this was brushed silver and gold foil, and it did say new, so I think it's new. Either way, it's cool. So we have a gold. This would always also make cute of these little rocks, and a silver. So great for Christmas, and also just great for having all year round. But it's a brushed metallic, so it gives a little bit less of a crazy sheen there. And you get 3 of each, 3 gold, 3 silver. All right, so that is my online exclusive haul. Now I get to decide what I'm gonna make for my team meeting. I don't even know where to start, but if you are a happy shopper, start shopping. You can do this now, and if you're not, it's time to take advantage of this special. You can get $155 in Stampin' Up! Supplies for only $99, and no shipping. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.